girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Louis Fitzgerald, I believe that's the first time here on Garden Guitar with him, and this beautiful song called Unlovable. So Louis really deserves more attention here, and this is a great song as well. He has a great voice. Let's take a look at this song, which is basically 3 chords. So we use the capo here on the 1st fret to have the easiest chords possible. Let's go and start to learn the F. So that's a bar chord here. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings. You need to add 3rd on A then, and then 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's your F. We have the C, and that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. I just want to mention here, we have these 3 basic chords, F, C, and G, but then we also have a C variation of it. So as you played the G there, you just want to hit 1 down on the C, and instead of going like this and recuperate all the fingers to this different side of your hand, so to speak, then you just do this part here. So you keep the G here and you drop your fingers 1 string down at the exact same position there. So that will be the 2nd version of C. So from this part, this G chord here, you go and use the same fingers there, your mid finger and your index finger, 1 string down, you'll land on the 3rd A and 2nd D with your 2 fingers like this. So that will be the C chord. I'm going to show you how to use that everything right now. So we have this string pattern. It has to be divided into 2 different parts, you can say, and that is because of this little rotation here from G to C. So 1 full round will be down, clap, down, down, clap. We're going to illustrate that with the 1st chord, the F. So grab that F, and 1 round goes. All right, so down, clap, down, down, clap. Couple rounds of it. All right, so the first part will be everything played except from the last clap. All right, so the last clap is the part 2, or actually we'll not use that last clap if we divide the string pattern. I will come to that pretty soon. But first we have this incorporation that goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end. And that will be F, 1 full round, C, 1 full round, then G, 1 full round plus part 1. That is almost 2 rounds. So that will be down, clap, down, down, clap, 1 full round, plus part 1, down, clap, down, down. All right. You exclude the last clap there on the G chord, and then you just go down and make this C adjustment there. You go down 1 string with your 2 fingers and play just 1 down on that one, and that ends the 1st round. And then you go back and start all over again from the F. So F1, C1, G1 plus part 1, and then just 1 down on this C, and then all over again. Slowly it goes like this. And then all over again. And that, guys, is pretty much what you need to know when you handle Louis Fitzgerald's Unlovable. Take a watch and look and listen to this song here. It's a nice song, and then play along. F, C, G, that's what you need. Good luck with this one, guys, and yeah, appreciate all the support. So if you like this tutorial, please give me a like on this one and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, guys, play tuned.